Hello everyone, welcome to Noble Architects Consult. In this video, I'm going to take you through the basic tools on SketchUp. The first one is the Orbit tool. This is the most important tool on SketchUp. You use it to move around your model. There's the icon. Then the second one is the lines. We have the lines, the freehand, and the arc, the rectangle, other shapes, circle, and all of them. This is what you use. This pen icon right here is what you use to make a sketch. For example, we make this. Okay. And most importantly, when you are modeling, you need to consider these guidelines, the axis. We have this red line, the red axis and the green axis. That's what will guide you to have a straight angle. You can use a freehand tool for some advanced SketchUp. You can make any rough sketch with a freehand. We still have it here. Here we have the shapes. You can make any sketch with these shapes. You drop it down the circle, just the same thing, left click and extend it. We have the polygon, the same thing, you left click and extend it. Another tool we are going to consider is the push tool. This is what you will use to extrude your design. You can move it with just a click. You can extrude your design. Then you can use the Orbit tool to move around it. The other one is the offset. For you to use the offset, you highlight the surface, click on it, get through it. You can type in the value of the offset you want to use, like 600. You use the push tool to push it in. That's just it. Now the other one is the move tool. You can choose to move this model to another place. You click on it and move it on any axis of your choice. That's the move tool. The other one is the rotate tool. You can rotate it, the angle. Just make sure that everything is based on the axis, depending on the angle you are rotating it to. You can rotate it. We have another tool right here, which is the flip tool. If you want to change this model axis, you can change it to the other axis. You can flip it. When you've highlighted it, you click on flip. That's where you have this row. If you want this view to turn to the other side, you click on the green axis. This signifies the axis, the three basic axes we have on SketchUp. That's the blue vertical axis, the green and the red axis. Okay, let's move this to the back. Let's just flip it. Now you can see it. We've turned it easily with just one click to the back. If you want to turn it upside down, you click on it and click on the blue axis. We've turned it. If you're turning it to the left or to the right, use the red axis. That's just it. And now we'll return it to the normal side we used. We'll click the green axis. We have it here. So that's how to use it. The next tool is the scale. This is what you use to resize your model. If you want to rescale this, you click on it and adjust it. It's very simple to use. Just a few minutes. Please like this video so it can get to more people, and also subscribe to our channel, because this is the best channel that will optimize your design skills. We share tips and tricks for efficient modeling, visualization, rendering, and animations. Most importantly, it's the best channel to share your ideas, ask questions, and get response from different professionals. Get a step-by-step guide on how to improve your design skills from scratch to pro without spending money. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get more interesting videos daily. Thank you. Let's proceed. The next tool we have here is the dimension tool. This is what you use to know the actual value of your model. You can have it here. That's just it, with just a click. And we have the next one, the paint tool. With the paint tool, you can choose any color. Let's try this. Okay, let's add this color. Just a click, and then click on the surface you want to change. Just that. Now the next tool is the pan tool. We've introduced the orbit tool. Now the next one is the pan tool. Use it to click. When you click and hold it, you can move your design, all of it. And if you are modeling a large project, at least you can pan and see through other sides. Okay, we have the zoom tool. If you are zooming a particular point, you zoom it out from a particular point. You can zoom it or zoom it in. You click and hold. If you have any question or any contribution, you drop it on the comment section below. And the next one is the zoom extent. As you can see, you can zoom the entire model on your screen. Zoom it out with just a single click. Just a single click. Like you zoom it out, like you can't get anything, but just click, you zoom it and everything is normal. If you want to delete any of this, you may ask yourself, how am I gonna do that? It's just simple. With the erase tool, just one click, you erase it. As simple as that. That's the erase tool. And for you to undo, the shortcut is Ctrl Z. You click Ctrl Z. If you want to redo, you click Ctrl Y, Ctrl Z, undo, Ctrl Y, redo. We have isometric view. If you want to view it on isometric form, you can get it here. And the next one is the top view. You can view the top. We have the front, the right, the left, the back, and the bottom. We have the camera tool. This is what you use to add a scene, to create a view. You can use it to set the extent of your camera, the 2-point perspective, parallel projection, standard views, and the rest. Let's do this. For example, this is the scene we want to capture for rendering. What you need to do is click on view, this animation drop down, you'll see add scene. With just that click, you've added the scene. Now it's recorded here, scene 1. If you want to add another scene, you do the same thing and add scene 2. After that is being done, we have some other tools right here. If you want to type in a text on SketchUp, we have this for 3D text. You can type in anything. SketchUp, let's type in. Then right here you can change the font and the size. When you're done, you place it anywhere, adjust it. And remember the tool we were talking about, the scale tool. You can use it to adjust the scale of this, and the pen tool, you can use it to change the color of this. Please, if you've not subscribed yet, you do that right away so we can grow the channel together and share ideas. After this, we have some other tools which we'll talk about on the advanced class.